there is this particular herbs that's very good for your hair, and that is the flaxseed. Flaxseed is known to provide our hair with nourishment and overall improve the elasticity of our hair. So in recent times, people have discovered flaxseed gel and it has been doing amazing. Flaxseed is known to have omega-3 fatty acid, which is responsible for promoting healthy hair growth. Once you have this in your routine, flaxseed in your routine in general, then you're good to go. And it is also known to have vitamin E, which is actually good to improve your hair elasticity and lots more. So this is how you prepare the flaxseed gel for you to use as a prepoo treatment. And like I said in my previous video, prepoo treatment is basically the treatment you do before you shampoo your hair. And flaxseed is a very good gel. It will help you have sleep on your hair, and it will help you to detangle your hair easily. Once you have sleep on your hair, detangling is so easy. And this is how you can prepare it. First off, you get your flaxseed, obviously, and this is how it actually looks like. Once you get your flaxseed, you get like a suitable sizable amount. You put it in your pot, maybe like 2 to 3 spoons. Then you put your water. That'll be enough for the gel, enough quantity for your gel. Then you stir continuously on low heat. Stir continuously till you bring this mixture to a boil. Once that is done, you strain it. You can use a finely divided cloth, or you can use a finely divided sieve. Once that is done, transfer immediately into your applicator bottle. Allow it to cool for a bit, then transfer it to applicator bottle, but don't allow it to get so cold because it will become so sticky and you will not be able to transfer it to your applicator bottle. This is how the applicator bottle looks like. With this, you will easily be able to apply it on your hair, strand by strand, section by section, massage it in and detangle your hair. Then you can cover your hair with a shower cap for 30 to 45 minutes, and voila, you rinse it off and continue with your normal wash day routine. That is your shampooing, your deep conditioning process, and afterwards you allow your hair to dry up a bit. Then you apply your leave-in conditioner. Then you can detangle and put it in a protective style. You could just do like chunky braids or chunky twist before you do like the main protective style, be it your mini twist and like that, or your cornrows. So that's just basically it. You could do this as often as you wash your hair. Prepooing is very important, and flaxseed gel will actually make it much more easier. So try it and let me know how it is on your hair, because I'm all about giving you guys tips that would help you moving on. I'm all about showing you how these things work. I'm all about doing the DIYs and bringing it here for you guys to see. So one of these days I'll actually do mine and show you in a video, right? So don't forget, I remain your favorite hair coach. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tell people about this page, tell them about this channel, because we are growing and I love the way our number is actually increasing, and I can't wait for us to have more people jet towards our page, because there's a lot that I have to offer. There's just a lot and you don't want to miss out. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscription is actually free, we know this, and you can watch my previously posted videos to get advices on how to cater for your hair so you can have long, rich, bouncy hair. I remain your favorite hair coach once again, and I'll see you in my next. Bye guys.
You can bank on it, you can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Then they call me Bankole, cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him.